Hey everyone, I'm Rohan from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to add skills to your resume on the Indeed app. Listing your skills helps showcase your strengths to potential employers, making your profile more appealing and relevant to job opportunities. So, let's get started on how to add skills to your resume on the Indeed app. Start by opening the Indeed app on your device. Tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of your screen. Scroll down and tap on the option Qualifications. Look for the Skills section within Qualifications. Next to it, there's a pen icon. Tap on it to start adding or editing your skills. To add a new skill, tap on the plus icon. Here you can type in the name of the skill. For example, let's say I'm adding programming. Right below the skill name, you can also add the years of experience you have with that skill. For example, I'll put 1 year. Once you have filled in the skill and experience details, just tap on Save. And that's how you can add skills in your resume on Indeed app. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment below if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss our upcoming videos.